Welcome to SQL Improvements in Snowflake, an original and unique high-quality course focused on modern, less-known innovations in SQL. A masterclass hands-on video course with dozens of practical exercises in SQL, interesting slideshows, quizzes and quick tips. My name is Cristian Scutaru and I'm an experienced solutions architect and instructor with a strong technical background in many areas in software development, big data and data science. I am a former Snowflake data superhero and a SnowPro subject matter. I passed most of the SnowPro certification exams, all from the first attempt. I know SQL experts and gurus in Snowflake who are not aware of most of the new features I will tell you about. And all these new additions are gradually implemented by most other database vendors. So what you learn here will be very useful to you. I actually ask in job interviews, me and my colleagues, questions about these new features. I use them more and more to write better queries and to propagate this know-how to my clients as well. Learn about new aggregate functions like countif, any value, or max by. Learn about higher order functions like transform, filter, and reduce. Learn about SQL classes. Yes, you heard me. SQL became in Snowflake object-oriented. You can today create class instances and call instance methods the way you do it in Python or JavaScript. You can pass inline lambda functions in a select query directly. You can use ASOF, joins and fuzzy matches, lateral and directed joins, multi-table inserts. Learn about the new pipe operator and the expansion spread operator, about methods to generate test synthetic data in so many possible ways. Have a quick immersion into Snowflake scripting with my integrated bootcamp and see how both Snowflake ML classes and Snowflake Cortex can help your queries become much better. Calling LLM functions or training models for anomaly detection, classification, or forecasting. This course will be yours for life. It comes with 1 month's money-back guarantee and I will personally answer your questions in 1 day max. Enroll today and learn about new and exciting SQL features that will be soon implemented everywhere.